Okay, again, here we have 2 secants. This little part is 2 and the inside part is 12, so the whole thing is 14. This little part is x and this part is 3, so this whole thing is x plus 3. So we have 2 is to 14 as x plus 3. Oh yes, a quadratic. I know you're excited. And you're going to set it equal to 0 and then factor it. I think that will be x plus 7, x minus 4. Again, they have to multiply to give you negative 28. The middle needs to give you a positive 3, so this is positive 7, negative 4 makes the positive 3. So you'll have 2 solutions here, x equals negative 7 and x equals 4. Negative 7 would be ridiculous because that would make this segment have a negative length. So your answer is x equals 4. Another short one.